Sigma has fixed this 35mm f1.4 art, and let's talk about it while we take some photos. At the intro, I don't know. So today we're here at a styled shoot and doing lots of photos at Tapestry Hall in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada, planet Earth, Milky Way galaxy. Are we in Andromeda?
Yeah,
galaxy?
Andromeda.
What's further? What's one tier removed from that? So the Sigma 35 art is one of the first art lenses that they actually released, and I loved it. There was one massive problem with it when shooting on digital SLR that I never felt like I got the auto fine tune correct. If you've ever picked up any of the Sigma art lenses on digital SLR, they are amazing, but they have these weird characteristics where at certain focal lengths, they need different autofocus fine tunes, which means you have to load it into the dock. You can find somebody that's knowledgeable, like our friend at BJ Photo, who will do it for you. But if you try to do it yourself, you'll never be, I'd say you're always like 90% confident that that exact distance is going to be in focus. So the 35-1.4, I love that up close look with the background all gone, like that wide angle, shallow depth of field. I really love that look. But unfortunately, I always felt like the photos were a little bit soft and I never 100% trusted it. Now, with mirrorless, all those issues are gone.
Why are they gone? Don't worry about it. Now your stuff will just be in focus, which is nice.
Here we are, photographing with the Sigma art 35mm f1.4. Things look nice, don't they? I feel like the 35 art was one of the last, the word art is in the title, and I feel like it was one of the last lenses. I feel like after this, they started going for optical perfection, which is great and amazing if that's what you want. I really love it when there are some more artistic elements to a lens, which is why I love a lot of the old Nikon glass, as well as the 85G, which is probably still my favorite lens for most styles of photography, or the 58-1.4. Those lenses, they feel like something when you shoot them. You feel like they are helping you achieve your artistic vision. And I feel like I actually get a lot of that from this 35-1.4. Now, indeed, you do have to shoot it through an adapter, which is a bit annoying, especially when the Canon 35-1.8 is probably my favorite lens for the RF series, and it is absolutely tiny. So it gets you pretty close to this look, and it's very, very small. But as somebody that's shot both of these lenses a lot, I can absolutely tell the difference. And this lens feels so much nicer to me. And I do believe that it's worth the hassle of bringing out a thing that's a little bit heavier, especially if you're out here on a wedding day or a styled shoot like we're doing today. And you know that you're going out to do photography. If I am just throwing it in the bag, well, I'm probably not gonna pick the R3, I'm gonna pick the R6 and the 35-1.8. And that's gonna be my run and gun style kit that just fits in a side bag. But if I'm out there to do professional work, I'm going to go for this 35 Sigma Art 1.4. Starting now until Canon puts out a 35 or a 24 or 1.4 or 1.2. Hope it's not a 1.2, that'll be so heavy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.